Стреляй по бабам, убегаешь от меня. Смотришь мне в глаза, гра-та-та-та-та. Стреляй по бабам, убегаешь от меня. Смотришь мне в глаза, гра-та-та-та-та.
This is the mix of DJ Ruel.
Стреляй по бабам, убегаешь от меня. Смотришь мне в глаза, гра-та-та-та-та. Стреляй по бабам, убегаешь от меня. Смотришь мне в глаза, гра-та-та-та-та. Я так люблю тебя, моя бэби-мама. Тебе не нужны поцелуи, правда. Своей красотой убила бы мне гада. Паника порыв небес, гра-та-та-та-та.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to DJ Ruel.
Lola Sweet, Miguel shout out. Sis Mierna. Shout TCC, good evening sa inyo dyan. Oo, masarap yan. Yan. Pipino. Masarap. Sa ano nga yun?
This is the mix of
Saan nga yan, Lola, masarap? Yung nilalagay ng kalamansi. Salad. Wala eh. Hindi ako nag-swipe kasi busy daw siya. Kaya iyan na lang. Pagtsagaan nyo na lang yan. Wala akong mahanap na picture dyan. Putol-putol yung ano ko, no? Yung sound ko. Bakit? Bakit nagpuputol-putol itet? Mahina ba yung signal ni Trez? Masipag Lola Sweet si Trez mag-live, pero alam mo ba, wala naman si Trez na ano man lang sa YT. Libangan lang talaga yung YT. Pag ganitong pagod ka sa labas, tapos pagpasok mo ng kwarto, gusto mo kanta-kanta, ayan na lang yung ginagawa ni Trez. Paborito ko yan, yun, sa salad nga. Yung iba, pinapapak lang yan, Lola Sweet, no, na ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Babalatan lang, tapos papapakinan nila. Tambakan mo ako ng request, Lola Sweet. Kahit hindi maganda yung boses ni Trez, pagtsagaan na natin. Kasi nga, nagbilibang lang talaga si Trez sa YT. Kahit wala man lang sa points. Wala man lang, 0.0, Lola Sweet yung renew ni Trez. Kahit mag 4 hours, mag 5 hours na yan, 0.0. Kaya wala nang pag-asa na kumita si Trez. Yung wifi lang talaga yung kumikita. Pero si Trez hindi. It's a tie! It's a tie, di a tie. Sis Mirna Alcantara, thank you, Sisi. Salamat sa inyo dyan sa 4 eyes na nandyan. Thank you, thank you. Try ko nga mag-ano ng ibang boses. Ayan.
Hello, Lola Sweet. Kumusta ka? Uy, ang ganda. Di kaya ako nito masipa ni Lolo. Di ba ito yung lagi yung ginagamit ni Sis Ace's Heart? Uy, maganda pala to. Try
Try natin gamitin kumanta kung ano ba yung boses. Pero sabi ni Manay Sky, sinisipa daw ni Lulu pag ganito yung mga ginagamit na boses. Saying you'll let me to the hand. Ay, sintonado pala pag nakakanta. You say the best when you say nothing at all. Sabi ni Sissy Sky, di ba ganito yung ginagamit ni Sis Ace's Heart? Pero ang ganda ng boses niya pag ito yung ginagamit niya. Pag nakanta, di ba? Di ba, Lola Sweet? Di ba? Ano pa yung iba?
Hello, Lola Sweet. I love you.
Hi! Ito ata yung bawal kasi masyadong matinis.
Agoy.
Hi! Hello! Mega love shout out. Parang ito yung ginagamit ni Sis Ace's Heart. Try nga natin kumanta. Bahala na kung paluin ni Lulu. Di naman nasahod si Tres. Okay lang yun. Ayan. Tapusin muna natin yung pahara. Try natin to. Parang ganito yung ginagamit, Lola, di ba? Itong isa na to. Kaysa yung una. Ayan, para kay Lola Sweet. Try natin. Para maiba naman. Para maiba naman yung gabi-gabing pagla-live ni Dress. 2 a.m. and the rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. Agoy! Intonado. Sisi Jeanette, mega love shout out. Ika lang. Bigyan kita ng panty. Ala, wait. Paano ba maglagay? Sir Brad, love, 32, ano yun? Sir Brad, mega love, shout out. Si Tres ay laging mabubulol. Sobrang haba ng dila. Thank you so much sa patamsak, Sir Brad. Si Jeanette, thank you. In your arms as the doubt is breaking. Face to face in 1,000 miles apart. I'll try my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to try. But only love can say, try again and walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part. O diba, ganito pala yun, sintonado. Wishing you a pleasant evening, Maria. Thank you so much, Sir Brad, for the good luck of Rachel. Hello? Hello? Bakit? Iba na naman to. Hello? Wala na yung dati. Hindi na makabalik.
This is Sky.
Adik ka na.
Ha? Kailangan ko munang patayin kasi hindi na makabalik sa dati. Laki ng pipino, manay. Ayan, oo, sisi. Naalala ko yung sinabi mo tungkol sa pipino. Sis Jeanette, sabi ni Sisi Sky, 7 million viewers, Migalong, shout out. Thank you, thank you. Ano na Sisi, hindi ako nag-isway kasi sabi mo, busy-busyhan ka. Kaya iyan, magsusulo na lang si Trez. Ano ba yung mga request ni Jan? At pagtsagaan natin
Give your
kahit
kids
solo
the
lang
allergy
tayo.
advantage.
Busy din ako, Manay Tres. Manay Sky, si Manay Tres lang di busy. Uy, busy ako maghapon lula sweet. Ito lang yung pahinga ko kapag gabi. Pag andito na ako sa kwarto ko, ito na yung pahinga ni Tres. Magla-live-live kahit saglit. Kahapon, nag-iya si CKSA. Sabi niya, Tres, kanta tayo. Mag-isway ka na, dali. Kasi yun. Kahit alas 5 pa lang, nag-set up na si Tres. Habang nagsasako ako ng mga palay. Kasi siya na daw yung magugulay. Set up ko na lang daw. Tapos, nakita ko, panay ikot sa taas. Yun pala, mahina ang kanyang signal. Diyos mio. Dali-dali si Tres pumasok sa kwarto at ako ay nagyaw-yaw. Inakyat yung bahay ko. Kasi kapag hindi pala si Sky, nag-end live pala no? Ng kusa kapag na umiikot sa sulang tao sa taas. Lula Sweet, nag-ano ka na ng V8? Parang gusto ko nang palitan to. Hindi ko na matimpla ng maayos. Meron ako nakita, mura lang, Lula Sweet. Doon lang tayo sa mura. Yung kaya lang. Wala pa pambili.
RoboTunes Karaoke.
Goy. Yung mura nga lang, Lula Sweet, meron ako nakitang mura lang. Try natin yun. Try ko nga yun i-order. Si Tress. Mura lang yun, Lula Sweet. Bili tayo. Palitan ko tong V8 ko. Kasi hindi ko matimpla talaga. Parang palagi na sa loob ng drum, sabi ni Alakdan. I just had a dream that you were far away. And that someone else was in your... Ano daw? True, I know it's just a dream. Still my fear is so extreme. 'Cause I know that dreams could sometimes be so true. And I'll be blue. Then I told myself I always stay the same. Try mo, Lola, umakyat. Dali na. Ay! Di pala ako naka-isway. Akala ko naka-isway ako. Hindi pala. I wouldn't love you anymore. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me. Ala, ano nangyayari sa safety ko? Because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever. Lutang, haha. Tay, akyat na tay. Kaya nga pinapakyat ko si Lula Sweet. Yun pala. Direct lang yun. Ulyanin na, oo tay. Parang tumatanda na talaga. Nararamdaman na talaga tayo. Pagiging grammars. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. Hindi ako nag-isway kasi alam kong hindi ka akyat. Meron ka nang inaakyat na naman iba. Doon ka na nag-ano, 24/7. I would keep the pain inside my door. Kaya papabilivin namin ikaw. Hindi na kami yayaya sa'yo kumanta. kasi nga, busy ka. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world is through. When all that's left, it's only me and you. Nagtinda ka, Tay? Nag-live ka ba kanina? Busy ako sa labas eh. Pumasok ako dito sa loob ng bahay, gabi na. Hindi ako nakasilip ng whitey ngayon. Mula kaninang umaga. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. Marami ako tayo para sa mga anak ko. Ayun. It's enough for me that I have come to love that you can see. Because the heart I found would only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the word is true. I'll wait for you, you know it's true. Until the end, I'll be with you. When all that's left, it's only me and you. Wala sa mood si Tres kumanta. Pahingi nga ako si Siska dyan ng pampano mo. Sa
That's better than the
lalamunan.
original.
Yung sa lalamunan mo ba? Para gumanda yung boses. Nabasa kami ng ulan. Oo nga tayo, ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Bakit? Meron bang ano daw? Bagyo ata? Paparating na bagyo? Sana, ulan lang. Ulan lang sana. I lie awake at night, see things in black and white. I only get you inside my mind. You know you have me blind. I lie awake and pray that you will look my way. I have all this longing in my heart. I knew it right from the start. Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love me too. Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I need you. Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I do. Get me inside, make me stay right beside you. I used to write your name. I'll put it in a frame. And sometimes I think I hear you call right stay a little while and touch me with your smile. Now what can I say to make you mine? To reach out for you in time. Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love me too. With you, oh my pretty, pretty boy, I do. Leave me inside, make me stay right beside you. Pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine, just tell me you love me too. Oh my pretty boy, I love you. Oh my. Make me stay right beside you. Pakantayin ko mamaya si Bunso. Pakantayin ko si Bunsong lalaki. There is fire in the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart. In this world, we're all alone tonight. The flows in the air so far. My heart would never lie. I can feel you want me to. And if the stars should fall, then baby, hear what we should do. Wish, take me by the hand and wish, hold your breath. It might come true on a starry, starry night. Wish, look into my eyes and wish, reach out for the dream it's there for me and you, and we might fall in love. Mayroong ka ba sa aking dibdib? Ito nga kaya'y pag-ibig. Wag mo na Sana ay huwag nang magising. Wish sana bawat bukas ay lagi kong kasama ang pag-ibig mo dito sa puso ko. Wish sana bawat sandali ay maging walang hanggan. Mahal kita hanggang kailan pa man. Lagi kong kasama sa ibig mo dito sa puso ko. Wish sana bawat sandali ay maging walang hanggan. Mahal kita hanggang kailan pa man. Ayan, tusok ako Kuya Farmer sa iyong upcoming premiere.
Looking for your daughter's first EO? Play lyrics karaoke.
You say that you're always been true, looking in your eyes to see you alive. Hindi ko alam to ah. You want me to believe that you still care. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't ever say you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me cry so bad when I love you more than I do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of you. How can you hurt me this way? Di alam ni Tris to ah. And I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can never say you will stay. Ba na nga? Tusok na po Kuya Farmer sa iyong upcoming premiere. Bilis ah, naka 30 minutes na kagad si Tres. the stars, down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All the impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. Sir Anna, I know what's beautiful looking at you. In a world of light, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. Salamat po sa patamsak, Sir Ana. Everything you ask me for, nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me. Salamat po sa patamsak. Opo, mainit talaga. Ako nga gabi nalito. I wanna make you see just what I want. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You walk into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. And bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me. Sisi, Dark Side, may kalaw shoutout. Good evening, Sisi. Salamat sa patamsak dyan. Ayan. Sige lang, Sisi. Ingat dyan sa work mo. Sisi ulit-ulit. Bakit tayo? Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo, Tay? Right? Opo ako. Anong gusto mo, Tay? Nay, ang gusto mo? Itawag namin kay Sis the Dark Side. Ayan, inubos ito. Umatake na naman yung katinang lalamunan ko, Tay. Tara na, Tay. Trademark mo na yung ulit-ulit mo. Oo nga eh. Sana all, love you Mosh. I love you too Mosh. Ay, sana all. Sana all na lang. Ulitin ko, endless love para sa inyong dalawa. Ano ba? Teka lang, upo muna ako. Di ba? Tawang-tawa ang lola ko. Lola sweet. Sana all, no? Ang sweet-sweet. Ang sweet-sweet dito sa lagan. Kaya tambayan ko ang anak ko. Sana all. Kaya nga, mag-live ako yung tulog na mga tao. Para si Tay lang yung gising. No, para si Tay lang yung gising. Hi, Bittersweet! Hello, dark chocolate. Oh, wow. parang sarap nun ah. Hello, Ninong, Tony. Huwag kasi kalimutan mga anak mo, Tiki. Oo nga eh, kinakalimutan na ako ni Tay. Hindi na sa akin umaakyat. Hindi ko na rin niyayaya kasi alam ko, may tawag doon? Ka-share life siya. Binasa ko na Tay. Di mo na rinig. Alam mo, ni-search ni Peter. Trademark mo na yung ulit-ulit mo. I love you too much. Tatampuan ako kasi ikaw na lang daw. Inaakyatan ko. Oo nga eh. Nagtampo ako. Wala kami na bully tuloy. Sanay na ako si Stark na pag namin. Pag talaga yan umakyat or pumasok sa live namin, bully ka agad. Tapos ganun siya, munti ka na siya siya yung magaling sa pambubuli, siya yung nagturo sa amin. Tapos kapag kami nag-response na sa kanya din, hindi ka na yung pikun. So, akala ko nga i-end live niya yung live na na-invite na tayo. Hindi ko alam na marami pala siyang in-invite. Yun na yung tayo dito. Hi. Ikoy. Oo nga. Yung I love you. Yung mga anak. try to understand. Ganyan din dati. Ano daw? Try to understand. Ganyan ka din dati. Now, nagbago na lahat. Give them a chance. Monitress. Yung pinaka, ano mo, Tay? Ano tawag doon? Yung pinakamahaba mong oras sa video call nyo ni Nay Darkside, ilang oras? Tay. Naanuhan mo na ba ako dati 24/7? Ngayon, ano na lang kami? 8 hours. Pagdating ng umaga hanggang gabi, ngayon, kaka-end video call pa lang kasi papasok mo sa work. Static ba? My God, panay yung salita ko dito, static. Ganito tayo, okay na? Tay, okay na ba? Hala, yung lalamunan ko talaga. Ano tayo, okay na ba? Hindi na nag-static yung aking weight. Kakainis, ayaw talaga makisama sa akin yung lalamunan ko. Lagi na lang ganito. Every time na kakanta-kanta si Tres, andyan na naman yung kati-kati, agoy. Kati-kati. Sandali. Kantahin ko to para to kay Tay at kay Nay. O, di ba? Kahit yung boses ni Tres ay hindi naman kagandahan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Basta ito ay alay ko to sa dalawang nagmamahala, nag-iibigan. Endless love. My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right. My first love, you're every breath that I take. You're every step I make. Kakainis yung lalamunan ko. And pasensya na guys, nababisit ako sa putis. May barado yun lang. Andito yung aking Kados Hermanas. Siyang pakantahin ko nito ang Endless Love para kay Tay at saka kay Nay Darkside, o diba? Okay lang ba tawagan ka naming Nay? Nay, Tay! Akyat kay Sky. Akyat sa puno. Tay. Kasi nag-ano na si Tay, ang tawag doon, nagbibinata na. Bilisan mo doon, agoy. Di naman yan, SY. In fact, mga manay, agoy. Andito yung CP ko, ginagamit ko, Lole Sweet. Antayin mo to para kay Tay na Endless Love. At sa kanyang minamahal, iniirog.
Okay. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Hello, tatay. Dark, dark side, hello. Hello. Shout out po sa lahat. Dito makaduelo si ate. Go. My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right. My first love, you're every breath that I take, your every step I make, and I want to share all my love with tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love. Ayan, para dahil ko itapay. Two hearts that split as one. All I have just begun. Forever, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charm, and I'll be a fool for you. I'm sure. You know I don't mind. I don't mind, 'cause you meant the world to me. How I know I've found in you my endless I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You know I don't mind. Oh, you know I don't mind. And yes, you'll be the only one, 'cause no one can deny this love I have inside. I'll give it all to you, my love, my endless love. Alright. Sana nagustuhan niyo po tayo. Tumibain sa inyong lovers dyan. Congrats! Kanyang kamush-mush. Thank you. Ay, salamat tayo, paborito. Channel favorite. Next time. Hold on Sa prank daw, sabi ni each passing day, you come so far. Don't throw it away. Believing dreams of weaving, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story, faith, hope, and glory. Hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never start. Hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there's a fountain, washes our tears all away. Words are swaying, someone is praying, please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. Will clouds roll by for you and I. When we are older in the night, we'll dream about the sun. In the dark, we'll feel the light, warm our hearts, everyone. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. As high as souls can fly, the clouds roll by for you and I. Ayan, sana nagustuhan niyo po ang song na If We Hold On Together. Thank you so much. Ayan, next song, Please Be Careful With My Heart. Ayan, para po sa mga lovers dyan. Para sa inyo. Para sa mga nagmamahalang puso.
Exciting DC toys.
Please be careful with your heart. Ayan, nagpapatalas-tas pa. Right. Like a child, just be careful with my heart. You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first choice, and I'm willing to take a chance. So my life is through, still be loving you. I will be true to you, just a promise from you will do. From the very start, just be careful with my heart. You know I do, doing no one else more. Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love is hurts and I soft spoken, and I have no. Yan. Tunado na ako eh. Do it pala to eh. I've been burning, I've been hurt before. So I know just how you feel, just my love is real. Siyempre tatay mana sa'yo. I'll be gentle with your heart, I'll caress it like the morning dew. very start. I'll be careful with your heart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance. So my life is through, I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, from the very start, from the very start, just be careful. Ayan, para kay tatay na in love. Kay tatay Toleva and sa kanyang minamahal. Ayan. Once again, magandang gabi po sa mga nandito. Salamat sa pag-support sa aking Tres Marias Farm.
Top Hits Karaoke.
You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you, it seems so near yet so far. Hope and pray you'll be with me someday. I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Or I'm dreaming. How can I? This time I try to say goodbye. You were there. You looked my way. I touched the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my song. You are my song. I know for sure that we were meant to fall in love. I look in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say the words that might scare you away. 'Cause I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Please no more dreaming. How can I? Each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You looked at my way. I touched the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You're my soul. Alright, thanks so much. You are my soul. Alright, thanks so much. KSE. Irguton. KSA, hello, shout out. Magandang gabi. Yan, search tayo ng song. Mahirap sabi mo? Ayan, para daw po kay tatay, once again, para po sa mga nagmamahal dyan. Kay tatay Tuniva, kay tatay na in love, sana all. Hello, City, say hello. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are always die. Words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. You made my mood when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I'll whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Sana please say you love me too. These three words, they could change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Ayan, tatay, may kiss ka na. May kiss ka na para sa iyong, galing sa inyong minamahal. So today I finally find the courage deep inside. Just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move. When my body gets to it, it's like 1,000 times before. Then without a word, he had a beat us later. Really, I hope this finds a way into your heart. Instead, I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. But maybe I need a little love, yeah. And maybe I need a little care, yeah. And maybe you, I you do, just reach out and I'll be there. I love you. Still love you too. You say you love me too. This reward take or change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. I love you. Please say you love me too. Please, please say you love me too. To the end of time, my baby love, together, together forever. I love you. I will be alive, shining bright, shining through your eyes. Thank you so much, ayan, para sa mga nagmamahal at may minamahal para sa inyo. Thank you. Ayan, at dahil dyan sa I love you, magsusurrender muna si Dos. There's so much life I've left to live, and the fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find a way to stand for every tree and forsake the solid ground and give up this fear within. What would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you? 'Cause I'd send everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to, I know you can feel it too. I make it true. 1,000 dreams I still believe. I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. I know I can't survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on. Now we need to live the truth. Right now, there's no better time. From this fear I will break free. And I'll live again in love. No one can take that away from me. And they will see. Tagalog na ako ni Modra. I wish you, I know you can feel it too, but make it true. 1,000 dreams I still believe, and make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Right here, right now. I give my life to live. I cannot break free. Take me by everything. I surrender to you. Right now, right now. I give my life to take me. Take me, take me by everything. I surrender to you. Thank you so much. Turn over ko na po kay Tres Marias. Thank you guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking pagbirit. Thank you so much.
Global Karaoke TV.
Diyos mio, Marimar, di ba? Nabulabog si Mother. Sabi ni Mother, agoy. Sabi ni Mother, agoy-agoy. Ano yan? Ang ingay-ingay daw. Nakasumbos ng Diyos kasi pag nakan. Abot sa ikapitong bulkan. Si Tres, pag nakanta, pabulong lang talaga. Hindi lumalabas yung boses. Ayan, shout out, Tay. Asa na si Tay? Lumayas na si Tay. Agoy, low battery na daw. Discharge. Teka lang, asa na ba yun? Sisi, Sweet Abby. Shout out, Sisi. Teka lang, charge ko muna to. Nagpaparamdam na. Sorry. Ayan, padikit po sa nakapin. Patamsak na rin. Teka lang. Didipin ko muna sisi. Yung pinaba mo. Ayan, you're welcome, Sisi. Sisi Abby. Ayan, watching ako dito, Sisi. Si Tres Mix ko. Ayan, Tusok 9 sa Exploring 168 Mall, Divisoria. Ayan, budget fine. Sweet Abby, hello po, sabi ni Sisi Sky. Sisi Sky, ano ka ba? Sabi ni Sisi, PSA. Mag-SY ka mamaya. Akyat daw siya, Sisi. Ayan. Nag-surrender na si Dos. Pag pag kumanta si Dos, pag ako na yung parang ayoko nang kumanta si Si. Parang gusto ko na mag-end live para hindi masira yung Kasi pag si Tres na, nasisira na yung live pag si Tres na kumanta pa. Yahoo!
Ayan, watching ako sa Divisoria mo.
Agong Music Karaoke!
So this is who I am, and this is all I know. And I was chose to live for all that I give. The spark that makes the power grow. That I will stand for my in my hand. Symbol of my faith in who I am. That you are my only. And I must follow on the road that lies ahead. And won't let my heart control my head. That you are my only. We don't say goodbye. We don't say goodbye. And I know what it had to be. Immortality. I make my journey through eternity. I keep the memory of you and me inside. Fulfill your destiny. It's there within the time. My star will never end. My fate is on the way. The kings of hearts, the givers love. We don't say goodbye. We don't say goodbye. Can I use it? See? Close it out. Ay. Kuya Boy. Ayan, salamat Sisi. I'm sorry I don't have the room for love to play. Hands over my heart, I'll find my way. I will make it, give it to me. Immortality. There is a vision and a power in me. Oh, I keep the memory of you and me inside. We don't say goodbye. With all my love for you. Salamat Sisi. And what else will we do? We don't say goodbye. Yes, still watching Sisi. Ayan, oh, tapos na. Ano lang pala to. Sabi. Thank you for watching na Sisi. Kuya Alex. Thank you, Kuya Alex. Ayan, done watching na sis. get through the night without you. If I have to live without you, what kind of life would I be? Oh, why? Goy. O diba si Kissy? Napapalakpak ka kay Tress. Akala mo si Dos pa? Pati na lalamunan ko. Hindi ako makabilo magkanta kasi nga yung lalamunan ko ayaw makisama palagi sa tuwing nagla-live ako. Andiyan na naman si Kati-Kati. Kapag tinatamaan ako ng hangin ng electric fan. Kumiyok. Diyos mio. Paanahin mo na si Sky. Paanahin mo na si Sky pa. Is why. Pati nang mo lang ko si nawala na tuloy si Tress momentum. Oo nga, pinatay ko na. Pinatay ko na nga si C. Kasi yung live ko, si patayin ko na. Patayin ko na rin pati live ko. Diba? Mag-isway ka ba bukas? Ito na lang last song na to. Hindi ko na paabutin ng 2 hours. Nahiya na ako sa'yo, si KSA. Si Sky, ikaw, bukas mag-live ka ba? Ay, hirap lang umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon wala nataguan ang isang katulad mo. Sana uy, nasintonado. Noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon na ang puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bakit parang choppy ako? Hindi na gumagana yung ko Si Jeanette, thank you Sisi. Ng ating mga puso, bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Si Jeanette, may galaw ka raw. Sabi ni Sisi, KSA. Kay hirap lang umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang nataguan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pala na ang puso ay malaya pang magmahal. Bukas lang, ano ito? Bakit sino to? Mali yung pindot din, Fran. Mamahalin sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Ay, iwan. Baka pag-end live na nga. Walang kabuhay-buhay ngayon si Tres, Try ko nga itong kinakanta ni Sissy KSA. Ang galing niya nito kumanta One Moment in Time. Kayang-kaya ng boses niya. Try natin pumiyok-piyok si Tres. Kuya Alex. Shouty Kuya Alex. Try lang to ha. Si Sissy Case ang magaling nito kumanta. Try ko lang pumiyok si Tres. Each day only I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet to know. I broke my heart for every pain to taste the sweet. I face the pain, arise and fall. Yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm way more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are parted away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then on one moment of time, I will feel eternity. I will live to be the very best. I want it all. No time for less. I will let it pass. Now little chance here in my hand.
Good night, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat, Sisi Jeanette, Sisi Miss Sky, Sir Anak, Sir Brad, Sir Mami Darkside, kay Cheese Dog. Sino yun si Cheese Dog? Sisi is April. Atay Taniba, Sweet Abby, Manish Ranking, thank you, Lola Sweet, Sisi Lady, Manoy Alex, thank you, Manoy Alex. Kay Sis Miarna Alcantara, kay Sis Japan, kay Sir Su, kay Kuya Commerce. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Good night, everyone. Good night, good night. Good night, Lola. Kita-kita tayo kapag mag-live si Sky. Sabay tayo doon. May pasampung piso doon, Lola Street. Good night na. Bye-bye.